Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. So today our topic is very important if you're working in pharma, so any field of pharmaceutical industry, if you're working for the regulatory affairs, if you are working for the quality assurance, if you're working for the corporate quality assurance, if you're working for the analytical validation, method validation or analytical development, this concept is important for each and everyone if you want to crack an interview for regulatory affair, pharmaceutical regulatory affair. So this video gonna help you out to gain more, to add more knowledge in your further in your site, in your knowledge, we can say. You can gain many more things, you can learn many more things from here. So what are the part of regulatory authorities? So why regulatory authorities important? Why regulatory authority is important? First of all, every country has its own regulatory authority. Means whatever country, US, UK, Europe, Japan, Germany, France, Norway, India, even China, every country has their own regulatory authority which is responsible for to enforce the rules and regulation and issue guideline for the drug development, licensing, registration, manufacturing, marketing and labeling of the pharmaceutical product. Okay, suppose I'm working in X company and my company develop any medicinal product. So before selling to that product in market, first of all we have to decide that in which market I have to sell this product. Suppose I have to sell that particular product to US market, so I have to follow the guideline of US FDA, and I have to sell that particular drug to Europe, so I have to follow the guideline of Europe market, for Japan, for UK, for India. So every country has its own regulatory authorities. What they do, regulatory people, they are responsible for the registration of that particular companies, that particular product to that particular country where they want to sell their products. Okay guys, so today we will discuss the very important and major regulatory authorities, those who are running across the world. We will discuss about we'll discuss only major regulatory bodies, like regulatory bodies. Not Will not cover all the regulatory bodies, but we'll cover major one which are very important, and how, and will make more videos on this so that we can understand. Hope this video will help you to gain knowledge about regulatory authorities and to add more knowledge in your feather. Okay, so let's start. So our topic is pharmaceutical regulatory affair, regulatory agencies, name of regulatory authorities and their websites, guys. Yes, suppose I know everything about regulatory authorities, but I have to know the exact website what they use, that regulatory authorities what they use. So we will discuss that also in this particular video. Okay, let's move. We'll start with the list of regulatory agencies. Okay, first of all, for USA, what is for USA? Food. What is the name of regulatory authorities? USA regulatory authorities, Food and Drug Administration, FDA. And what website they use? www.fda.gov. Okay, moving to the next. So what is the next? For Europe, European Directorate for the Quality of Medicines and Healthcare. What? European Directorate for the Quality of Medicine and Healthcare. These are the name of what? Regulatory authorities. And what website they use? www.edqm.eu. Okay, Europe has two regulatory authorities. One is European Directorate for the Quality of Medicine and Healthcare, and second is EMA. EMA is very famous. We must have, if we are working for the pharma company or something, we must have knowledge of EMA, European Medicines Agency. For this, they use this website, http slash double slash www.ema.europa.eu. Okay, let's move to the next. Japan Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare, MHLW. Websites, www.mhlw.go.jp/English. And second one is, means Japan is also having two regulatory authorities. Second one is Pharmaceutical and Medical Devices Agency, PMDA. What website they use for this? www.pmda.go.jp/English/. Okay, moving to the next. UK and Germany. For UK, Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency, MHRA, very famous, www.mhra.gov.uk. And for Germany, Federal Institute of Drugs and Medical Devices, www.bfarm.de. Okay, guys, moving to the next one, that is India. India, what the regulatory authority's body name is? Regulatory authority body name of India is Central Drugs Standard Control Organization, cdsco.gov.in. For the China, National Drugs Product Administration and NMPA. For this, they use www.sfdachina.com. Okay, guys, this for next we have covered France and Italy. The France National Agency for Medicines and Healthcare Products, www.nsm.sante.fr. For Italy regulatory authority is what? Italians Medicines Agency, www.aifa.government.it. Okay, so these are the, major, even though Italy, France, Italy, India, China, they come in rest of the world, ROW. And majorly USA, Japan, Europe. These are the regulatory authorities which, majorly all the country work according to that. Even apart from US, FDA, Japan, and Europe, all other countries, they comes under ROW, rest of the world. They also have their own regulatory agencies. So yes, with this we have to end up with this video. Yes, if you like my content, please hit the like button, and you can help me by subscribing my channel, and do comment down below. So this video, added more knowledge in to you or not. Thank you so much. Keep learning, keep growing.